Linax Technologies.
Hello, and welcome to Linac Technologies demonstration of our Medical Linear Accelerator Simulator, Simac. This video will demonstrate how it is possible to adjust the simulator to tune the linac for energies other than the ones provided by default. For example, let's tune the system for 8 MV. To increase the beam energy, higher voltage needs to be supplied to the PFN. Let's increase the HVPS to 12 kV. We see that it is not enough. Let's try 12,500 volts. Now it is too high. Setting to 12,200. Almost there. A fine-tuning can be done by changing the gun grid voltage. Let's try to reduce the gun grid voltage to 105 volts. The beam energy exceeds targeted 8 MV. Let's try 109. Perfect. 8 MV achieved. Now we need to change the bending magnet current so that 8 MV beam passes through. Trying 22 amps. Too much. 21.5 amps? A little more adjustment to 21.6 amps. Perfect, exact 8 MeV. Looking at the in-plane and cross-plane profiles, it is obvious that flattening filter needs to be changed. Pushing the Optimize button will produce a flattening filter shape such that the profiles will be flat. That would be it for this demo. See you at the next one. Make sure to learn more at Linax.ca and stay tuned for more videos.